All the manufacturing goes on here in the Freeport Center. I've been at Lifetime for 24 years. I started on the line assembling picnic tables back in 1996. I've moved throughout the company and had opportunities throughout the company ranging from machine work, maintenance, welding, and R&D, engineering, tooling design, and also now into steel outside sales, and then currently management. So that's my story.
Okay, awesome. So, guys, everything that we're doing today is really geared towards you as students going to high school here, whatever high school it is that you're going to here in Weber County. Our goal for Manufacturing Day today is to introduce you to employers that can hire you. We want you to work here in Weber County with our awesome employers, and so hopefully today you're able to walk away with some knowledge that might help you pick some really exciting careers. So I am going to go ahead and share a video that Lifetime has put together. It will show you some cool things that they do, and then after that we will do some questions and answers with Preston and myself if needed. One thing to keep in mind, we are giving away some cool, I don't know if you can see our water bottle here, and a hat. So we will be giving away prizes to students that participate with questions today. We will deliver them to your schools, and we're excited about that. So let me go ahead and share this video, and we'll pick up right when it ends.
Lifetime Products is an amazing company. This company was founded in 1986 and started right here in the state of Utah. It's the all-American story of an owner with an amazing idea of an adjustable basketball system starting production literally in his garage as he got into some of the sporting goods categories. That adjustable basketball system was such a hit throughout the nation that we became very successful in the national stores and began selling literally all over the world. We employ over 3,000 people around the world. 2,000 of those people are right here in the state of Utah. Our tables and chairs bring families together on a regular basis. You see kids in driveways playing basketball, paddling kayaks throughout beautiful lakes in different parts around the world. All kinds of amazing opportunities for people to get together. Lifetime Products has always been dedicated to manufacturing in the U.S. as much as we can. In fact, we've been involved in Washington trying to pass various laws that will help us embolden and make it easier for manufacturers who manufacture products in the U.S. to label their products accordingly and get credit for those products.
But hopefully you guys got a chance to see some of the cool things that Lifetime does. For instance, I took my family, we wound up hiking a couple weeks ago up by Causey Reservoir up in just up the Ogden Canyon, and my kids were fascinated with these people that were out kayaking on the water, and they were nice enough to show my kids the canoes and everything. And I did pay attention to the fact that they were Lifetime products and just how cool they are. So Lifetime's a huge employer in our community, and they have been for a really long time. I wanted to see if anybody would like to ask Preston any questions about what a career at Lifetime would be like. Remember, we're giving away some awesome prizes to students that participate, and this is just a good chance to get to know somebody who might be able to help you out with a job down the road. So anyone on the session with us today, let me know if you have any questions, and we will get those to Preston. Preston, one question I have is, what is it about Lifetime? So if there's these high school students that are joining us today, why would they want to consider a career with Lifetime?
Well, like I said in the video, we're very vertically integrated. We manufacture, not only do we manufacture our products, but we make all the things that make the products. So there's a lot of opportunity from production, not just production and material handling, engineering, tooling design. Of course, there's purchasing positions. There's routes like that, marketing and sales, all the things that make a company go. So there's a wider range of things if you're interested in just about anything. Lifetime has that to offer for you.
Okay. Awesome. Moises, I hope I'm saying that right, bud. Moises asks a question. How many years does it take to do manufacturing to study? And I'll go ahead and take that as a question here. At the tech college, Moises, it really depends on the program you go into. Most of our programs, and I would include Davis Tech in this because I know they have an injection molding program that you guys probably work with quite a bit, that we don't have here, would be anywhere from 9 months, maybe even 8 or 9 months to about a year to finish a program. And while you're in high school, it is free to do. So that's a really good question, Moises. Make sure you hang out with us until the very end, and I will go over the ins and outs of how to enroll in a tech college program. Good question there for sure. Do any of the students joining us have any other questions today? Another question that I would have, Preston, is what seems to be the most in-demand product that you guys manufacture?
That varies throughout the year. Right now it's chairs and tables. During the pandemic, people getting together slowed down quite a bit, so there was kind of a lull in that demand, and that seems to be coming back. In the springtime is our busiest time. A lot of our products are outdoor related, our kayaks, outdoor sheds, basketball units. So when it warms up in the springtime, you see that demand go up. But right now, currently, the pandemic is been pretty good to us because a lot of people are staying home and a lot of our products are utilized by families. So I would say right now, chairs are really crazy, but we have a lot of demand for pretty much all of our categories.
Okay. That's awesome. That's awesome. So guys, when you go home tonight and you shoot some hoops in your driveway or at your buddy's house, chances are really good that Lifetime created that basketball hoop. So again, guys, our goal with Manufacturing Day today is to introduce you to employers here in Utah that maybe you didn't know existed before. And Lifetime is located in Clearfield. Do you guys have any other operations in Weber County at all?
No. All the Utah operations are here in the Freeport Center in Clearfield.
Okay.
We have our retail stores around the Lifetime store. There's one in Riverdale.
Right.
So,
okay. Awesome. So as your students, as you're planning your careers, as you're looking to, what does life look like after high school, I would invite you to check out Lifetime and find a skill set that would, allow you to be highly skilled to work there and possibly to build a career. So Landon and Preston, thank you so much for joining us today from Lifetime. We appreciate you guys so much taking your time to be here with us. Students, we're going to jump now to programs that you're interested in. So if you want to switch over to that and select a program, we will be talking about programs that you can take here at the Tech College. And to Landon and Preston, thanks guys. Appreciate it. Thank you.